What's up, future financial trader? This is Dr. Jemelson Pierre-Louis. I want you to understand something powerful today. Unhealthy relationship patterns do not continue because you are weak, unworthy, or incapable of healthy love. Many times, patterns repeat because they became familiar through past experiences, emotional conditioning, disappointments, or environments that shaped how you learned to view connection, trust, attention, and self-worth. But the good news is this: patterns can be changed when awareness, healing, discipline, and better choices begin to replace old habits. Many people find themselves repeating cycles where relationships begin with intense excitement but slowly become emotionally draining, unstable, confusing, or one-sided. Sometimes people ignore warning signs because they hope things will improve, fear being alone, or believe they must work harder to earn love and validation. But healthy relationships are not built on constant anxiety, emotional confusion, or losing yourself in order to keep someone else. The first step toward change is honest self-awareness. Instead of blaming yourself or feeling ashamed, begin asking honest questions. What patterns keep repeating in my life? What behaviors do I continue accepting that hurt my peace? What boundaries do I need to strengthen? Awareness creates the opportunity for transformation because you cannot change what you refuse to recognize. Awareness creates the opportunity for transformation because you cannot change what you refuse to recognize. It is also important to understand that familiarity is not always the same as healthiness. Unhealthy dynamics feel comfortable simply because they resemble what you experienced before. But just because something feels familiar does not mean it is good for your emotional, mental, or spiritual well-being. Real growth happens when you stop confusing emotional chaos with genuine connection. Healthy relationships are built on consistency, communication, honesty, patience, respect, accountability, emotional safety, and mutual effort. They are not based on manipulation, constant emotional highs and lows, fear of abandonment, or trying to prove your worth to someone who refuses to value you properly. They are not based on manipulation, constant emotional highs and lows, fear of abandonment, or trying to prove your worth to someone who refuses to value you properly. One of the most powerful things you can do is strengthen your boundaries. Boundaries are not walls designed to keep everyone out. They are standards that protect your peace, your emotional health, and your future. Learn to say no when something feels unhealthy. Learn to walk away from repeated disrespect, dishonesty, inconsistency, or emotional instability. Protecting your peace is not selfish, it is wisdom. You must also stop seeking your entire sense of value from external validation. Many unhealthy relationship cycles continue because people desperately want to feel chosen, accepted, or emotionally validated. But true confidence grows when you begin building self-respect internally instead of depending completely on other people to define your worth. Choose relationships that bring stability instead of confusion, peace instead of constant stress, and respect instead of emotional exhaustion. Pay attention to how people consistently treat you, not only how they make you feel temporarily. Real love allows you to feel safe being yourself without constantly questioning your value. Most importantly, be patient with yourself during the healing process. Breaking unhealthy cycles takes time, self-awareness, growth, and repeated better choices. Every time you recognize a red flag, enforce a healthy boundary, prioritize your peace, or choose a healthier direction, you are rewriting your story one step at a time. You are not defined by painful relationships, past mistakes, or emotional setbacks. You are someone capable of growth, healing, wisdom, stronger boundaries, and healthier connections. You deserve relationships rooted in honesty, trust, peace, emotional safety, and mutual respect. Keep growing, keep healing, and keep choosing better for your future, your peace, and your life. If this video inspired you or helped you grow, I'm asking for your support today. Please purchase a copy of one of my books and become part of a mission to help impact over 25,777,500 people worldwide. Please purchase a copy of one of my books and become part of a mission to help impact over 25,777,500 people worldwide with financial education, motivation, and life-changing knowledge. Your support helps us create more resources, training, and opportunities for future financial traders and future leaders. Remember, one piece of knowledge can change a life. Thank you for believing in growth, education, and a better future together. I believe in you. Let's do it together.